Hello, and welcome to Talking AppExchange. I'm Maria Cataldo, Senior Product Marketing Manager here at Salesforce. Talking AppExchange is a series of conversations with Salesforce customers about how they're using AppExchange solutions to solve business challenges. Today, I'm joined by Tim Haines and Ellen Jokerst from Sunrun to hear how they're analyzing data and optimizing schedules with Skedulo. Welcome, Tim. Thank you so much for joining us today. Could you tell us a little bit about what Sunrun does and what your role is there?
Sure. Thanks for having us. So Sunrun's mission is to create a planet run by the sun. We're the nation's leading solar energy provider. We provide solar energy solutions and home battery backups for residential homeowners. Since 2007, we've helped over 250,000 customers save $300 million off their utility bills. I'm a senior software product manager. I work with our sales operations team. We have hundreds of sales reps across 22 states, and including DC and Puerto Rico. And so anytime we need to change manage the population or roll out new initiatives, we do that through software.
That's great. And Ellen, tell us a little bit about what you do at Sunrun.
Yeah, thank you, Maria. I'm our retail scheduling coordinator. So I support our retail supervisors manage the scheduling tool. So I add in new stores, I add in new solar advisors, I make sure that new supervisors have access to all the right regions that they need. I preload shifts into the scheduling tool so we can optimize scheduling. And I really just support and make sure we have all of the enhancements we need to meet the changing needs of the business.
Nice, it sounds busy.
Yes, very busy.
Yeah.
So how are you using Salesforce today?
So Salesforce is really foundational to everything Sunrun does. We use it from start to finish. We have a custom lead qualification tool, integrated IVR. We do scheduling and appointment routing. Does it go to the field team or the inside team? And we take that on through contract review, and our whole installation process is managed through a workflow management tool to make sure that everyone does the right thing and that the systems get installed.
Great. So Salesforce is really powering the back end behind the scenes, but I know that retail stores are a really big part of what you do. Can you tell me a little bit about what that retail store setup is like?
Yeah, so Sunrun partners with some of the largest national retailers. So if you're in a grocery store or home improvement store, you may run into one of our solar advisors who are promoting the benefits of going solar. So they'll talk with you about your energy needs, see if you're qualified in your home, and set you up with an appointment with one of our sales and solar experts.
So what were some of the challenges that you were facing that led you to start looking for a scheduling tool? It sounds like you guys have a lot of this already together.
Yeah, so before Skedulo, all of our supervisors had different scheduling tools or methods that they use. It was really ad hoc. So some would use Google Sheets or Excel or email. And so from a leadership perspective, we really didn't have any idea of what was going on in the field. What stores we were staffing that day, who was supposed to be there, if they were showing up. And so we really just didn't have visibility into what was going on in our stores.
Mm-hmm. So you had spreadsheets, we have a lot of different people, they're across the company. Mm-hmm. You guys, of course, realized that you need a scheduling solution. So when you started evaluating different options out there, what really made you realize that Skedulo was the right fit for Sunrun?
Yeah, our team was really impressed with the simple architecture and the user friendliness. The customization options were definitely essential for us. And then the great Skedulo team.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think they were really responsive to our needs and building the shared understanding. Both on the initial run, we were able to communicate what we needed, and we got that set up in a short order. But then we were able to come back several months later with additional customizations that they were able to pull together for us in another 6 weeks. And it was really great working with them from that perspective. In addition to that, the integration with Salesforce, I think, is really essential because that's the platform we use, and everyone's familiar with the reporting style and that sort of thing. So those are the kind of the key aspects.